Hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. I just want to give you a real quick little update on our beds here, on our raised beds. When I did this, I knew that there was going to be settling because I've got several feet of dirt here, and I've got the hugelkultur, the wood down underneath where there were gaps in the, the dirt didn't fill in the gaps, and I knew there would be some settling. But last night we had some really heavy rain. In fact, there was a lot of flooding in the area. And I've had a lot more settling here than I thought I would. You see now, you can see the lower block there. And I don't know if you can tell it, but right here, there's kind of a hole. Now, yeah, it used to be up above that crack right there, and it's settled. Now, it doesn't have to be full all the way to the top. There's still plenty of dirt. But I went ahead and bought a couple more little bags there. I'm just going to fill a little bit in the low spot and kind of mix it up again, take out a few of those rocks and things. I bought 4 of these bags. I couldn't believe it when I bought these 4 bags. These are $8 a piece, so I spent $32 for these 4 bags. Now, if you remember, when I was building the beds, I went to a landscape supply place, and I bought bulk dirt, bulk soil, and I got a ton of it. I mean, literally 1 ton, and it cost $60. These 4 bags cost $32. So if I had tried to fill up these beds buying those little bags, it would have cost a fortune. I mean like hundreds, maybe 1,000, I don't know. It would have been crazy. So if you're going to be doing something like this, and you're going to have any kind of volume of dirt, don't buy those little bags. Look for a landscaping company or a quarry or something like that that'll sell it to you by the ton. And if you don't have a pickup truck or a trailer or something to pick it up, they'll probably deliver it to you for a small fee, considerably cheaper than using those. So yeah, that's my update. Be blessed.